If you're a real estate investor looking to raise private capital for your deals, or if you're a private lender interested in funding real estate transactions, understanding the potential return on investment is crucial. Today, I'm going to do a quick tutorial on our free private lender ROI calculator, which gives both investors and lenders a clear breakdown of the expected earnings. Okay, in order to get a copy of this calculator, just go to our website, firstclassflipping.com. And if you're watching this on YouTube, I will put a link in the description. Come down to our free resources, go down to investor calculators, and today we're going to talk about the free private lender ROI calculator. Once you click on that link, it'll bring you to this page here. So you basically just come down here to the calculator, and it's pretty simple. Let's say you're an investor, or if you're a private lender and your investor found a property, and let's say the all-in cost, let's say the property costs $300,000 and you need $50,000 for the renovation. Your purchase and rehab cost goes here. That'll be $350,000. This is what you want to borrow from your investor. Okay. What is the after repaired value? Let's just say you got a good deal. This is let's say the ARV on this property is $500,000. You're all in for $350,000. Okay. Your annual interest rate. Let's say you're offering your private lender 10% interest. How many points is your lender going to charge you? Let's just say your lender's going to 2 points. And what is the length of the loan? How long do you think it's going to take you to complete this transaction? Let's hypothetically say you can get this all done in 6 months if you have experience and a good team. Okay, now we hit calculate, and now you see it just populated everything. Basically, you're at a 70% LTV ratio in this deal, which is very good for an investment property. And this also shows your lender what their monthly interest payments would be. Month 1, they're going to get $2,916. Month 2, month 3, 4, 5, and 6. So their total interest for this loan for 6 months is going to be $17,500. They also made $7,000 by charging you 2 points on the loan, which gives them a total income of $24,500 on a loan that's only took 6 months. Now, the cash on cash return on that money is 7% because it was only 6 months, and your annualized rate of return is 14%. And when they get all of their money back, they're going to get a total of $374,500. That's their original $350,000 loan plus the interest income on that loan of $24,500. So there it is, guys. This is our free private lender ROI calculator. It's easy to use. It's free to use. You don't have to download it. You don't have to sign up for anything. Just bookmark it on your browser. Come back to visit it whenever you need it. And I wish you guys happy investing. Okay, hope this tutorial was helpful, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.